What's happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit of Day number 119. What am I going to do today? Who knows? No one knows. I don't usually know when I wake up. I just pull something out of the hat when it comes time. So today we're going to do the Nucino Nouveau from Bruinwood. Now, Nucino Nouveau from Bruinwood. Bruinwood does a lot of stuff. Some stuff that is like limited edition. Some stuff that's a core SKU. But they're constantly bringing out new things. And so the Nucino Nouveau is obviously a green walnut liqueur. Spiced, but the thing that's different with this one is it's 40%, which is quite high for a nocino generally. They also make a fantastic avocado. If you haven't seen the avocado episode, you're really missing out. You definitely get the nocino on the nose, but it is struggling a little bit with that higher alcohol content. It doesn't have that relatively like spicy sweetness that you would get on the nose. Made with local walnuts and honey. There on the palate you get it. Big vanilla, green walnut, a little bit of honey, chocolates and caramels in there as well, like dry chocolates. The alcohol content is different. Because it is 40%, all the other nocinos we have here in the province, you sort of sit around about that 25 to 30%. That little bit of residual sweetness. Sugar makes flavors pop. The flavors here are really, really good. Very dry though, because of that alcohol content. Makes them a little bit drier than they usually would be. So if you are going to use this one in a cocktail, my suggestion is be very, very mindful of your sugar content. And maybe add a little bit more sweetener, maybe vanilla syrup or something like that, just to make it pop a little bit more. It is very, very dry. What I would do is I'd throw it in the fridge, serve it cold with desserts, or use it in your desserts. This would make a really good flambéing sort of ingredient in your desserts. So go grab a bottle. I think you can find a few places here on the island, including vintage. But yeah, definitely a different style of nocino, completely different. It's deep and dank and heavy and strong. Like a really, actually, to be honest, what it reminds me of is a really strong espresso, like very reductive in the way of like the flavors are just packed in there on alcohol content. So, Spirit Date number 119. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.